Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to install applications from unknown sources. Firstly, you need to open settings, then find here install unknown apps, click on it. Here scroll down and find install unknown apps, click on it again, and here on this tab you need to allow the installing unknown apps from the known apps. So for example, you have browser and you can allow browser to install unknown applications from unknown sources. So click on browser, click allow, click I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily, and here click OK. You need to have SIM card into your device. Click OK, allowing, and great! That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!